Hi everyone, this is Bridget here. Welcome to this new video of mine on my YouTube channel. So today I thought we'd do a crumb fried chicken or a road roller chicken. So this dish got its name of road roller chicken only because the pieces of chicken breast used in its preparation were cut lengthwise like a butterfly and then flattened with a cleaver or a rolling pin or a mallet. The chicken eventually looked as if it was flattened by a heavy object such as a steamroller or a road roller. And it's very subtly flavored with only a hint of seasoning. So let's get started. So this dish is like a meal in itself, and if served with a little salad, it goes a long way. So you'd need like 4 chicken breasts, tender fillets, and you need to slice them in a butterfly shape like this. Separate the 2 halves and then wipe them dry with a kitchen towel or paper, and then you flatten each piece with a mallet. Flatten each piece with a mallet. Okay? And now what you should do is season your chicken with some salt and pepper, and now you dredge each piece of chicken in plain flour and keep them aside till we are ready to dip them into the beaten egg. So dredge each piece well. Take 2 eggs and beat well, and now it's time to season your breadcrumbs. So you could use any seasoning you like. I've used some pepper, salt, paprika, garlic powder, some parsley flakes and parsley flakes as well. But you could use whatever seasoning you like because it all depends on what you would like to use. And if you need to make it more spicy, do add some chili powder as well. It all depends on what you would like to have. Also, you could add some parsley flakes and some paprika as well, or chili powder, to give it some spice. So mix all this well together. Get ready to start frying. You first dip it in the beaten egg, then cover them well with the breadcrumbs, and then just put them into a pan that is already heating up with some oil. Likewise, do it for all the pieces of chicken breast that you have, the same procedure. So now typically you get about 8 pieces. So you could see that the oil is really hot and it has started to fry well. So see that each piece is covered well with your breadcrumbs, and actually you could use 2 pans so that you don't waste any time and your chicken gets done all at once. So this pan is full. Now we're going to the second pan. Which is a much smaller pan, as you could see, so using the smaller pieces of chicken in this. So continue in the same way till you have used up all the chicken pieces and the crumbs. So now you could fry either on medium or slow heat till your chicken is cooked well on one side, and then now you turn it over. You could see that it's got a lovely golden brown color. Turn each piece and fry the other side as well. There you go. Fry each thing well, and then now it's time to remove them because the chicken is ready. Your crumb fried chicken is ready. It takes just around probably 15-20 minutes for the entire process, and it's really good to have a dinner on a Sunday or on a weekend or a holiday. So you make a salad, a simple salad. Here we've just used some salad leaves, some beans, and some oranges, and your platter of crumb fried chicken is ready to eat. So if you like this video, please do subscribe to this channel and like and share the video, and follow all the recipes on my YouTube channel and on my website. So thank you for watching, and God bless.